I'm going to show you how to make Ruvi as a slushie. Now, if you're like me, getting your kids to eat fruits and veggies can be pretty difficult. And I have teenagers, so like a 13-year-old and an 18-year-old, and I'm constantly telling them, putting a bowl of fruit in front of them or something to get them to eat fruits and veggies. Well, they love this method of Ruvi because it's kind of fun and it's cold and slushy. So start with 5 to 7 ounces of water, which is what the packet calls for, 5 to 7 ounces, and a bunch of ice in there, okay? We're gonna blend that up. And remember, you wanna massage the pouch, make sure there's no clumps in there. By the way, my son loves Ruvi Active because there's a little tartness to it, and I think they're used to sour candy, so he loves Ruvi Active. So dump that in the blender. These ninjas are really slick, you guys are so easy. You can actually drink right out of these cups or add them to another. Just get all that powder down in there. And then mix. Now, of course, you can always make Ruvi on its own in a shaker bottle, right? But this is a really fun way to make it. And I think, whew, oh, it's nice. It actually thickened up a ton in there with all of that ice. So you can see how thick that is. Isn't that crazy? It's just fruits and veggies, water, and ice. Whoopsie. And of course, what you have to do with that is lick it off because it's so good. So a sure win for your kids, the slushie.